Hey and hello pupil, welcome to my YouTube podcast. You can listen and learn my info about it. It is available in Spotify and other podcast apps. I'm Mackie, and this is a podcast YouTube channel. If you're as excited as I am, hit that like button and let's dive in. And this podcast is going to talk about Alan Turing and AI, a journey into the history of artificial intelligence. Let's close the eyes and imagine this. Let's start. Artificial intelligence has become integral to our modern lives, powering voice assistants, autonomous vehicles, and intelligent systems that can understand and respond to human behavior. But where did it all begin? The roots of AI can be traced back to the mid-20th century with the groundbreaking work of British mathematician and computer pioneer Alan Turing. Alan Turing Mel, father of artificial intelligence. Alan Turing's theoretical work laid the foundation for AI as we know it today. In 1935, Turing introduced the concept of a universal computing machine, a theoretical device capable of performing any computation. This machine, known as the Universal Turing Machine, had a limitless memory and could modify its own program, paving the way for the idea of machines that can learn and improve. Turing's contributions to AI were not limited to theory. During World War II, he worked as a cryptanalyst at Bletchley Park, where he helped break the German Enigma code. It was during this time that he contemplated the possibilities of machine intelligence. Turing envisioned computers that could learn from experience and solve new problems using guiding principles, a process now known as heuristic problem solving. Physical Turing machine. In 1947, Turing delivered a lecture in London, expressing his desire for a machine that could learn from experience. He also discussed the possibility of machines altering their own instructions to achieve this goal. Although Turing's ideas were ahead of their time, they laid the groundwork for future advancements in AI. Chess and EA. One area where Turing applied his ideas was in the game of chess. He recognized chess as a domain that could challenge AI systems and provide a testing ground for problem-solving methods. While Turing experimented with designing chess programs, the lack of available computing power at the time limited his progress. It was not until the advent of stored program electronic digital computers that the first true AI programs could. Early milestones in AI were achieved through the development of AI programs. Late 1950s, Christopher Strachey wrote the first successful AI program. ISI 1952. Axonal said Anthony O. Udinger developed Shopper, a rote learning program to simulate a shopping experience. Axia Frontier Samuel's Checkers program, written in 1952, was one of the first examples of evolutionary computing, where successive generations of the program compete and evolve to improve their performance. Exoxeer and the field of logical reasoning and problem-solving, Alan Newell, J. Clifford Shaw, and Herbert Simon created the logic theorist. The program could prove theorems from Principia Mathematica, demonstrating the power of AI in logical reasoning tasks. C. Abdon McCarthy combines elements of EPLW with lambda calculus to create the programming language Lisp. Key element of the general problem solver KPs, which could solve a wide range of puzzles using a trial and error approach. In 1960, this becomes the principal language for AI work in the United States. Ekelyn Alan Robinson invents the resolution theorem proving technique at Argonne National Laboratory, leading to the development of the logic programming language Prolog. AppCSA also made its way into human-like conversation with programs like Eliza and Perry. Elijah, developed by Joseph Weizenbaum, simulated a human therapist. AXA, 1970s. Antral Prolog gains popularity and becomes widely used for AI work in Europe and Japan. XATIA, Palmer Rauer implements Prolog at the University of AIX Marseille. Exine in T's. X-of-generation languages, based on Prolog, are developed at the Institute for New Generation Computer Technology in Tokyo for use on non-numerical parallel computers. 1990s, Lexual POP Tour, and of languages for reasoning about time-dependent data using tense logic, allowing statements to be located in the flow of the 21st century. Escalations continue in AI programming languages and techniques, including machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks. XDLO Pine, research and innovation in AI languages and frameworks to address complex problems and improve AI capabilities. Acceptation of AI programming languages into various industries and applications shapes the future of artificial intelligence. The Turing Test. In 1950, Turing introduced the Turing Test, a practical test for computer intelligence. The test involves a computer, a human interrogator, and a human foil. The interrogator interacts with both the computer and the human foil through a keyboard and display screen, attempting to determine which is the computer. If the computer can successfully convince the interrogator that it is human, it is considered an. While the Turing test remains a benchmark for AI, no AI program has yet passed it in its pure form. However, recent advancements in natural language processing and chatbot technology. Back in 2012, Ray Kurzweil, renowned author and futurist, predicted at the journal CFO Network annual conference in Washington that in 2029, computers will have the capacity to pass the Turing test. It is now 2023, and the development of ChatGPT has reignited discussions about the test's components being met sooner than we expect. And last content of the podcast is about City of Dreams. City of Dreams is an interdimensional city that fully integrates the virtual world and the real world, enabling everyone to open businesses within the metaverse without requiring them to possess the knowledge or resources necessary on the blockchain. With the help of the City of Dreams, both entrepreneurs and cryptopreneurs can acquire a stake in real asset NFTs that have real economy rental value to mass retailers and merchants, allowing them to profit from $1 trillion. E-commerce in the metaverse will bring a more immersive shopping experience for consumers. Consumers will be able to do their purchases online and engage in real-time conversation with various points of interest using an avatar. Retail businesses can rent real estate from NFT holders to use as a marketing and advertising channel to bring traffic back to their existing e-commerce platform. Retail businesses can use our metaverse to build digital shops, where customers will have the ability to explore the product in the 3D model that they are interested in purchasing. Rewards, discounts, and freebies are awarded to users for doing activities inside the metaverse. Enjoyable activities and events, such as live streams and flash sales, are happening daily. City of Dreams will bring an entirely new dimension of virtual reality to the realm of online and traditional businesses with a sustainable model to help them increase traffic and customer base. And there you have it, the thrilling journey from dreams to reality, from the inception of artificial intelligence to the vibrant landscape we navigate today. If you enjoyed this trip through time, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your tech-savvy friends, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of technology. I'm Mackie, signing off from TechBeam. Until next time, keep dreaming and exploring the limitless possibilities of artificial intelligence.